Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find and copy your Hamster Kombat deposit address and memo on Bitget. I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to copy your deposit address and memo to receive your Hamster Kombat token on Bitget. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take is to tap on your Bitget app to open it. As you can see, I've already opened up my Bitget app. Yes, my Bitget account. So guys, now after that, what you have to do is to make sure home is selected. You can see the home is already selected. Then what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see add funds. You can see there at the top the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see deposit crypto. You can see there at the top deposit crypto. So let me tap on it. So guys, now this is where you need to search for the crypto that you want to copy the address, the deposit address. For this case, we want to copy the Hamster Kombat deposit address. And for you to search for it, what you have to do is to scroll down, go through this list of cryptocurrencies right here. You're going to see Hamster Kombat. But in case you can't find it, what you have to do is to use the search icon at the top. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to type in Hamster Kombat. You can simply type in HMSTR. HMSTR. HMSTR is the short form for Hamster Kombat. So let me type it in HMSTR. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see my search result right there. You can see the Hamster Kombat logo. You can see there Hamster Kombat. You can see the short form there, HMSTR. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to copy your Hamster Kombat deposit address. But before you go ahead to do that, make sure you confirm that the network is correct. You can see right there the network chosen is Ton, and that's actually correct because Hamster Kombat is actually launching on the Ton blockchain. You can see there Ton coin is selected. Make sure you select that network Ton. So guys, now after that, what you have to do now is to go ahead now to copy your Hamster Kombat deposit address. You can see that encircled area right there. That's your Hamster Kombat deposit address, your HMSTR address. So guys, now for you to copy it, you have to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now you can see copied. We've now been able now to copy our Hamster Kombat deposit address, our HMSTR deposit address, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.